Hi friends, welcome back to my channel MA English Learning Worldwide. Here I am as promised with 20 impressive adjectives for job interviews. So it's a follow-up video with meanings and sentences for you to ace your next interview. Please do subscribe to the channel if you feel that my lessons are helpful. So let's continue. Meanings and sentences. Number 1. Proactive. Taking initiative to avoid problems. I am proactive in finding solutions before challenges become obstacles. Number 2. Diligent. Showing careful and persistent effort. I am diligent in meeting deadlines and maintaining high standards. Number 3, collaborative, working in a team. I enjoy collaborative projects where teamwork leads to success. Strategic, planning carefully to achieve goals. I take a strategic approach to problem solving and decision making. Do follow me on each slide. Meanings and sentences continued. Number 5. Resourceful. Finding clever ways to overcome difficulties. I am resourceful when adapting to unexpected challenges. Number 6. Adaptable. Adjusting easily to new conditions. I am adaptable to different work environments and challenges. Number 7. Analytical. Thinking logically and examining details. I use analytical skills to evaluate data and make informed decisions. Number 8. Dependable. Reliable and trustworthy. I am dependable and can be counted on to deliver results. Follow me on the next one. So let's continue. Number 9, articulate. Expressing ideas clearly. I am articulate when presenting complex information to colleagues. Number 10, disciplined. Staying focused and consistent. I am disciplined in managing my time and responsibilities. Number 11, decisive. Making clear, confident decisions. I am decisive when choosing the best course of action under pressure. Inclusive. Welcoming diverse people and ideas. I create an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued. Resilient. Recovering quickly from setbacks. I am resilient and remain positive even when facing challenges. Number 14, visionary. Having original ideas about the future. I bring a visionary perspective to long-term projects. Number 15, approachable. Easy to talk to and open. Colleagues find me approachable when they need guidance. And I think I just have the last one now. Okay, yes, this is the last one. Number 16, supportive. Encouraging and helping others. I am supportive of my team's growth and success. Number 17, ethical. Acting according to moral principles. I always make ethical choices in my professional work. Trustworthy, reliable and deserving of confidence. I am trustworthy and handle responsibilities with integrity. Empathetic. understanding others' feelings. I am empathetic towards colleagues and clients, ensuring strong relationships. And the last one, number 20, meticulous, paying great attention to detail. I am meticulous in reviewing documents to avoid errors. I am very sure that you will use some of the adjectives in your interview or to impress your bosses, and do let me know which adjectives you would like to use or you currently use. So I hope you found it very helpful. I will request to support me and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye now.